1, 2, 3, begin.
Hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
Hello.
Today we are gonna make ice cream because we love ice cream so much. We are gonna make it today.
Yes.
And you don't need so many ingredients.
Yes.
And it's super simple too. We need a frozen fruit mix. We need honey, sugar, and we left some because we can do it with the oranges. And we need oranges too. And if you want to make extra, you can use if you have one, ice cube form. And we need Pop's mold. First, we are gonna begin with the oranges.
Yes.
And then we are gonna do it just now we are gonna put this juice into this. Now we are gonna go to step 2. The frozen fruit mix.
Yes.
We put 5 spoons in here, and then we are gonna mix. We are gonna see if it's good enough. 1.
Yes.
So first, the sugar. Do you want to put the sugar in?
Yes.
Vanilla sugar. Good. Now I'm gonna put the honey in. Well, a lot of honey to be really sugary. Oh, it's really sugary. It's heavy.
Yes.
Oh, that's warm. And you see a little bit sugar left.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's frozen.
Yes. 1,
2, 3. My mom put it into this thing so we could put it easier in the Popsicle. And we have some left where if we want we can put as a design in it. And the juice.
Yes.
Orange juice. Oh. So first we are gonna start to put
Open.
Yeah, to open all the things. Because if you don't open it, you don't can make nothing. Let's start the fun uphill. And we are gonna begin. I'm gonna put first it looks delicious. Is that enough? Gonna shake it a little bit to get some design if it is enough. No, we can put a little bit more. That's enough. I don't want to have it on the ground, but it is not enough.
I'm stunned. But it's so good.
And I'm not gonna put it until the line because then I think I'm gonna do too much and I don't want to have too much.
This is super.
I'm gonna put a lid. Now my sis is gonna put the fruits inside.
Yes.
2 or 3 fruits. And then I'm gonna put the orange juice. Begin. One like this.
No.
Or something like that. And 3. Oh, there's a little thing. Little guy. No, that was enough. Just the other one. Wait. That wasn't so good in you. Now the other one. 1. Delicious. 2. And think you put too much in there. Wait.
It's okay, don't.
Then now you're gonna do 1 little.
Clean.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna put the orange juice inside. I don't want to put too much in it now because then we make a lot of waste.
Yeah.
Oh, that is a pepper.
What is? Too much. Too much. Too much. Too much.
Delicious. Now we are only gonna do with the orange juice because our dad don't like fruits.
Yes, puppy.
Oh, dad. He likes a lot of orange.
Yes, bubbles.
Yes, yes, bubbles.
Yes, bubbles. Stop.
No, I don't want to do too much. Just woo, delicious.
Yes, delicious.
If you make too much, you can eat it if you want.
Too much? No eating. Stop.
No. I know how many I can put. Now you're gonna put all of these.
And these.
Yes.
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Delicious. So delicious. Ooh, there's fruits. Yeah, because there's fruits are in there. Too much fruit in this. Oh, this one done is so good. Now our mom is gonna put it in the freezer,
Yes.
and we are gonna go to ice cream too with ice cubes. Now we are gonna make the ice cube ice. I never make one ice cream in like a cube, so it's gonna be different. So my sister first and some gonna put some fruits, then I gonna put orange juice with this frozen fruit juice. Yeah. First in these. What? I'm gonna help her because Maybe it will go everywhere and we don't. We just found out, our mom tried this, that in the orange juice, without fruits, it don't gonna stand up. So then we only gonna do it in the pink one and the ones with fruit. I know it's gonna fall, but in the freezer, it's not gonna fall anymore. So we find a way to put the sticks in. We could just flip them over on that side. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it is so soft.
You have to wait until the next morning, I think.
Is it a yogurt?
And how does it taste?
Delicious.
You like it?
Yes.
Strawberry.
And
This
the
is
apple
strawberry.
shop.
So our little sister is using a little thing like that too. Woo.